Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make tomato-free vindaloo from scratch. Unlike a lot of recipes, this vindaloo is entirely tomato-free, with the traditional sourness still delivered from the vinegar, lighter in appearance, yet the same great vindaloo punch. As always, a full list of all the ingredients is in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like, and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, cut up your choice of protein and marinate in the garlic and ginger paste, vinegar, crushed black peppercorns, and naga pickle if using. Cover and leave to marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. In your pan, add the oil, ghee, and finely diced onions and cook on low to medium until the onions have softened, stirring frequently. Take your time here, the caramelized onions are the key to flavour. Add in the cloves, garlic paste, and sliced finger chilies. Stir through and allow to cook for around 30 seconds to reduce the bitterness of the garlic. In with the spices, so add the coriander, cumin, turmeric, and chili powders, sugar, salt, and cardamom seeds, along with a little hot water if required to keep things moving. Allow to fry gently for a few minutes before the oil starts to separate. Add in your choice of marinated protein and stir in carefully to coat in the spices. Add in the hot water and stir through well. Turn up the heat to medium-high and allow to reduce by half. And most of the fresh chopped coriander. Your choice of vinegar, stir through well and allow to cook until your choice of protein is cooked through and the sauce is the consistency you require. Serve sprinkled with the remaining fresh coriander. Remember to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.